Hello decorators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a festive topic that's going to get you in the holiday spirit: Christmas chair covers. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just getting started, we've got all the information and advice you need to make your holiday seating extra special this year. So, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive into the world of Christmas chair covers. First things first, why should you consider using Christmas chair covers in your holiday decorating arsenal? Well, there are plenty of reasons to embrace this festive trend. Christmas chair covers instantly transform your dining room or living space into a winter wonderland. They add a cozy and welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for holiday gatherings. Not only do they look great, but chair covers also protect your chairs from spills, stains, and wear and tear during holiday meals and parties. Chair covers are incredibly versatile. You can use them not only on dining chairs but also on folding chairs, office chairs, or even bar stools. This means you can spread the holiday cheer throughout your home. Many chair covers are machine washable, making cleanup after the festivities a breeze. They come in a wide range of styles, colors, and patterns, allowing you to choose the perfect ones to match your existing decor or create a whole new festive look. Now that we've covered the why, let's move on to the how. When it comes to Christmas chair covers, you'll find a variety of options to suit your style and needs. Here are some popular types. Some chair covers are shaped like Santa's hat and are an adorable way to bring a touch of Santa's magic to your dining area. Perfect for a whimsical and fun look, snowman chair covers often feature a snowman's face and even a scarf draped over the back of the chair. Traditionalists will love the classic red and green chair covers. They often come adorned with festive patterns like holly leaves, reindeer, or ornaments. For a more upscale and elegant look, consider velvet chair covers in deep, rich colors like burgundy or forest green. If you're feeling playful, elf hat chair covers are a fantastic choice. They give your chairs an elfish appearance and add a dash of whimsy to your decor. Feeling crafty? You can always make your own chair covers using holiday-themed fabrics and sewing patterns available online. This allows for a truly personalized touch. If you prefer a more subtle holiday touch, consider using chair sashes or bows in Christmas colors to decorate your chairs without covering them entirely. Now that you know the different types of chair covers available, it's time to pick the perfect ones for your holiday setup. Here are some factors to consider. Think about your overall decorating style. Are you going for a traditional, rustic, modern, or whimsical look this Christmas? Choose chair covers that complement your chosen theme. Ensure the chair covers you choose are suitable for the size and shape of your chairs. Most chair covers are designed to fit standard dining chairs, but you may need to measure if you have non-standard chairs. Consider the material of the chair covers. Velvet is luxurious and warm, while polyester blends are often more affordable and easier to clean. Check the care instructions. Are they machine washable, or do they require special care? Easy to maintain chair covers can save you time and effort during the busy holiday season. Set a budget for your chair covers. They come in a wide range of price points, so there's something for every budget. Think about your existing color scheme. If you have a predominantly red and green decor, choosing chair covers in the same colors will create a cohesive look. Now that you know what to look for in Christmas chair covers, let's talk about where you can find them. Here are some great options. Websites like Amazon, Etsy, and Wayfair offer a vast selection of chair covers in various styles and price ranges. You can easily compare options and read customer reviews to find the perfect fit. Check out your local home decor stores, such as Pottery Barn, Target, or Bed Bath & Beyond. They often have seasonal sections with holiday-themed decor, including chair covers. If you're feeling crafty, visit craft stores like Michael's or Joann Fabrics. You can purchase holiday-themed fabric and sewing patterns to make your own chair covers. Support local businesses by checking out boutique stores in your area. You might find unique, handmade chair covers that add a special touch to your holiday decor. Believe it or not, thrift stores can be a treasure trove of holiday decorations. You may stumble upon vintage chair covers or find affordable options to DIY into something unique. Websites like eBay and Facebook Marketplace often have second-hand chair covers for sale at a fraction of the price of new ones. Now that you've got your Christmas chair covers, it's time to get creative and decorate your space. Here are some fabulous ideas to inspire your holiday decor. Pair your chair covers with matching tablecloths, placemats, and napkins for a coordinated look that ties your dining area together. Add extra flair by attaching bows, ribbons, or even small ornaments to your chair covers. This small touch can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to mix and match different chair cover styles for an eclectic and playful look. For example, you can alternate between Santa hat chair covers and elf hat chair covers for a whimsical vibe. Instead of covering the entire chair, consider using chair sashes or decorative ribbons tied to the chair backs. It's a subtle yet elegant way to add a festive touch. If you're the crafty type, create your own unique chair covers. You can personalize them with your family's names, favorite holiday quotes, or even hand-painted designs. For a cozy winter feel, drape blankets or throws over the back of your chairs. This not only looks inviting but also keeps your guests warm. Now that the holidays are over, it's time to think about how to care for your Christmas chair covers and store them properly to ensure they're ready for next year. Here's what you need to know. Follow the care instructions provided with your chair covers. Most can be machine washed on a gentle cycle. Be sure to remove any bows or accessories before washing. Store your chair covers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent fading. You can fold them neatly and place them in a plastic storage bin or a breathable fabric bag. Before storing, inspect your chair covers for any stains or damage. Address any issues promptly to prevent them from becoming permanent. If you have multiple sets of chair covers or other holiday decorations, label your storage containers for easy identification next year. Moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth, so make sure your storage area is dry. Consider using moisture-absorbing products like silica gel packets. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.